Right now, everybody is buying Mac Mini just to run AI agent, especially the OpenClaw AI agent. And most people that can't afford Mac Mini are getting stranded. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to set up their Clawdbot. One thing you have to know is that the Mac Mini setup is very much expensive and it is unnecessary, right? Because you can actually run your OpenClaw Clawdbot on autopilot 247 without buying any Mac Mini, without using your desktop as well. Okay, all of these things will be set up on a cloud server, and also it can be controlled by your mobile phone, right? And the best part is that this particular setup is very much cheaper and safer. So in this particular video, we're going to be doing only 5 simple steps. So the first step, I'm going to be showing you what OpenClaw Clawdbot is and how it works. The second step, I'm going to be showing you the big problem with running your Clawdbot with an outdated method. Okay, and the third step, I'm going to be showing you why people buy Mac Minis and why it is not ideal right now if you want to set this up properly. All right, first step, I'm going to be showing you the smart solution to actually set this up and also the VPS setup that you can actually use right now. So without further ado, let's get into the video of the day. Please head over to your browser. This is OpenClaw.ai right here. So on this very section right here, we have, this is what it says here, the AI that actually does things, right? So this particular AI can actually clear your inbox, send emails, message your calendar, check you in for flight, all right, all from your WhatsApp, your Telegram, and other chat app that you already use. Okay, so as you can see right here on this very website, there's no download button, there's no install button, there's no sign up button. There's actually a specific method of setting this up. All right, I'm going to simply walk you through step by step on how this works. I'm going to go through the theory and also the practical setup of this very platform. Okay, first thing first, OpenClaw is not your normal AI chatbot like your ChatGPT, Cloud, and all of that. Okay, which you can actually ask question and it answers it. We are talking about the OpenClaw Clawdbot, which run on autopilot. You can browse the website, manage your files, run commands, complete multitask on its own. It can make research for you, write email, and also send it out, and also do the follow-up for you. All right, monitor your website and also organize your files and also draft email automatically. All right, so having known that, what are the big problems with running Clawdbot? Okay, for you to run Clawdbot successfully, your Clawdbot needs full system access. All right, it needs the file access, it needs app access. Running it on your desktop is very much risky because it can actually access your personal files, so your password, your financial data. So we're going to simply be doing it in a safer way. So that's going to simply lead us to the third step, which is the reason why people buy Mac Mini, right? And people already know about all of these risky parts of the Clawdbot. Okay, so that's why they are migrating from using this on the desktop to making it run on its own. That's the reason why people buy Mac Mini. If you are buying a Mac Mini, number one, it has a high upfront cost. Okay, so for instance, if you go to this very section, if you copy Mac Mini right here and you go to Amazon, all right, you have to simply add Mac Mini right here. If you add Mac Mini, then you search for it, then you're going to simply see the cost of Mac Mini. All right, so if you come over to this section, you're going to see right here Mac Mini costs over 2k plus, or over 2.1k dollars. All right, this is very much expensive, especially for people that want to try this out, people that want to just set this up to run their personal business and all of that. Okay, it's very much expensive, so that's why we're bringing up this particular idea right now, so you can actually follow through and set this up for yourself. All right, and also run this on your mobile phone safely without losing access to any of your files. Okay, and also it uses electricity, which means you have to be charging it takes more disk space, and also it can only be accessed physically. All right, so what you need to do right now is to actually follow the next step, which is the better option for you to go with right now. And what is that better option? That's going to simply lead us to the next step, which is the smart solution. That smart solution is VPS setup. All right, so the overall best way of setting this up and running it safely is to use the cloud VPS. All right, so a cloud VPS is just a visual computer that run online or 247. All right, so this particular visual computer run online 247 just like you hosting your website. So the advantage of this particular VPS is this: it's not really costly. All right, I'm going to be showing you where you can actually get it cheaper. All right, and also it doesn't need any physical space, no electricity needed. You can reset it anytime you want, just like you're doing a backup for your website. All right, that's basically how it works. And the best recommended VPS platform that I recommend you go for right now for this is Hostinger VPS. Okay, you head over to your browser and you search for Hostinger, and Hostinger is a platform that actually hosts this very one right here, which is OpenClaw. You can actually deploy OpenClaw from Hostinger. Okay, and you need a VPS. All right, and the plan you can actually go for is the KM2 plan. All right, you can see right here, I recommend you select the KM2. All right, so once you choose your plan, go ahead and access that. I've already created mine. When you log in, click on the VPS section right here. When you click on that, it's going to simply take you to this very section where you have to simply select the VPS you want. Okay, so for instance, this is what we have here. We have this KMV. You can see that here. Click on this, get now. When you click on that, then this is going to simply take you to this very section, allow it to load. All right, then you have to simply select your server location. Okay, simply select the best latency. You can see why this one right here is the best one. You can see we have many of them, but you have to simply select the best. All right, so click on the next section. And when you select that, the next thing you have to do right now is simply select any of these OS. Okay, just select this. Then when you select that, you're going to simply select your version. I recommend you go for the 24 LTS, alright? So that is lifetime support, alright? Just click on the next button, and this is going to simply take you to this very session where you have to simply create your root password, okay? So this is just to secure your VPS access, okay? So I'm going to simply add that off camera just right now. Alright, so I've already added my own password, okay? So you have to make sure that your password has some symbols like this one right here, this one right here. Okay, so once you have that, click on the next button. Make sure you add a malware scanner, okay? This is very much important. You have to select this and also select this. All right, so you can actually add daily backups. All right, so you have to simply add Docker manager and also add malware scanner. Okay, then once you add that, click on this section right here. Once you set that up, go ahead and deploy it and wait a little while. Then your OpenClaw will be fully live and run from the website. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set this up on your mobile phone. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually connect this with your WhatsApp, with your Telegram. So remember, we've already done all of these things without involving our desktop, without involving our laptop, and also our personal information. All right, and this is going to simply be running on a cloud. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, see you in the next breakdown.